Okay, I'm trying to fix this house. It's been almost 10 years. Everywhere is caulking is correct, or they did a bad job anyway. Easy way. Okay, you don't need any caulking gun or special caulking. You can use this. I bought this one from the supermarket, grocery store. Seal and fill, bath and bath, easy to use anyway. For bath, whatever, use this one. All right, because my baseboard is white. Okay, this color is white. All right, it's easy to use. All you need to do, squeeze it. I use one hand. Okay, see if you can get this one out. Oh shit. Sorry. Get this one out. Squeeze along it. See if it's a good job. You don't have to do perfectly. Okay, just use a finger to fill it, to fill the gap. You may have to repeat it, but depending on your skill. I've been doing this pretty quick. Let me see. Still a little bit. Do one more time. I use one left hand. It's not really easy. Let me see this. There. Anyway. Yeah. If you're not good to squeeze, just squeeze out on your finger and put back here. And you can remove those excess. Clean it before, okay? I use paper towel to clean the dust before you apply this caulk. It's easy to clean. You can use some water, moist. It's really, nobody will notice unless you, because you know it. Still a little bit, huh? Let me get a little bit more. Not bad, huh? Okay. Wipe it off. Squeeze more. Oh, right here. Shit. On my floor. More. Yeah, it's pretty good. See? And then clean up the surroundings. Okay. Clean up the floor. Yeah, I'll clean up a little later. Okay. Basically, that's how you do it. Not only here, if something. Oh, okay, let's see here. Something wrong here. I just see that little crack. I just use my something on my floor. Wipe on it. A little bit more. Anyway, this one squeeze. I use the whole tube for this house. See? Yeah, it's so good because this is white. Okay, I don't have to paint it. Right. Yes. This builder really did bad job. You see the nail is here. Okay, nail should be inside. Okay, and then they put color on there. They all do like this. Suck. But anyway, all right. If you have same problem, okay, just buy one of this. All right, no special tool needed. All you need, one tube of this on your fingers.